Hi, in this video I will show you how to get expired domain for your specific niche. I'm not telling you, wow, how I made $4,000 a month with this incredible technique. No. It's just a basic step-by-step you can reproduce yourself easily. So let's go. For the example, we will choose the dog training courses niche, and I will add extra terms like leave a reply. I add this term in order to focus on the blog post results, because blog posts are specific places that webmasters like. They can put their link easily. So we click on scrap button and waiting for results. Okay. Now we will select on the scrap button, the scrap tab, sorry. We will select the outbound link checkers and go back to results, click on the transfer to custom one button, and happened. Go back to scrap, okay, and click again on scrap button. Okay, so now we will focus on domains. So we will remove the duplicate domain, okay, and for each domain we will check the HTTP status code. So click on this button and waiting. Okay, so now in order to get potentially expired domain, we will have to resolve some redirections. So click on this button. Okay, and we will check again and remove the HTTP status lower than 503. So click on the delete button, choose HTTP status and numbers lower than 503 and click on OK. So now you can see bad URL, so remove them, remove Instagram, here, and now you can check if all these domains are available. So choose domain available and click on the first one. Hold in a dot if you have the correct information on the WHOIS API. As you can see, we have one domain available here, so we will check it online. Okay, click on this, remove. Okay, and click on check. Okay, so this domain is available. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you soon for another tutorial. Bye bye.